Alright, so the decoder we're going to put in is an NCE D408SR decoder. It's pretty straightforward. I'm going to unpackage it here and get it all ready to go. I've installed a few of these. So in the package is the decoder itself, the power cables, which plugs into one end of the decoder, and then the output cables, the accessories or whatever, which plug into the others. Now, the reason that I put two commons on my light board is because this specific decoder has two commons, these two blue wires. It actually has two common wires. So I'm going to wire one to each of those, and that'll work there. And then each of the individual wires here is an output or a channel, and we just walk through those. It actually goes this way. So blue, white is channel 1 or function 1, green function 2, violet 3, brown is 4, and so on and so forth, all the way up to 7. So this is the decoder itself. This is what we're going to put in. These are really solid operating decoders. I have probably 6 of them installed in the various engines I have. I also have some Digitrack decoders as well. But for everything but my USA Trains engines, this is what I put in, or Digitrack's decoders. All right, so at this point we're ready to put the truck back onto the chassis here, and this is about as easy as. Okay, so these are our wires. We said red and green were the motor pickups, and black and white were the track pickups. With our decoder, we have the two outside wires, which are red and black. Those are the track pickups, and the two inside wires, gray and orange, are the motor pickups. So basically we're going to just go plop that baby right on there, and that's going to be how we hook this to the harness. So I'm going to do that now. Alright, so we have 4 stripped wires here. The two outside we're going to work first. So the way I work these is, this is the left pair, a track, and a motor, right pair, track, and motor. So we're going to do that the same way here. We said red and white went together, black and green went together as far as the pairing. So we're going to do that. I'm going to start off with the black here, because we got a black track here, and we have a black track pickup here as well. So we have a black track pickup wire on the harness, and a black track pickup on the block. So we're going to put that there. Little solder to that. Okay. Alright, so that's the black wire. The next one we work in is the gray wire. That's going to go to the green in here. And again, let me just set those up, toss a little bit of solder on here. And the next one we do is orange. Orange is going to go to red. So don't get wrapped around the colors of wires when you do this. Best thing to do is to read the manual and understand what the wire goes to, because depending on what type of engine you're working with, the motor wires are red or green or blue or something like that, and the pickup wires on another engine are red and black, and so you just get the colors all mixed up. You just got to make sure you know which engine you're working on and what wires go where. So when it's all said and done, doesn't matter what color they are, it's what they go to. Now, a lot of people put shrink wrap tubing on here. I'm not one of those people. Electrical tape will do just fine for this type of connection. I do like for my wires to be nice and neat, though. Yeah, that looks pretty good, actually. Step you off here a little bit. Okay. So I just used some regular old electrical tape. I'll cut myself off 4 little squares. Okay, so we got 4 squares of electrical tape. And here's all I do. I just place the wire in the middle of it and then fold it over on itself. Okay, that makes it pretty easy for me to get back into it if I need to. And it does a good job of isolating. That's fine. So I'll do that for all 4. So this is wire. That's it. That's all there is to it. This is set to go for the decoder, for the motor settings. We still have to do the lighting functions, and we'll do that portion next.